Okay, so what you see here is our single fold guide. There's 4 points of adjusting when it comes to our single fold. The top knobs here is to adjust how big you want the fold to be. The bottom knobs here are going to be to keep that fold pretty much tight and square all the way through the machine. Over here you have a creaser assembly. So what this is going to do is it's actually going to take the bag and start that crease where the fold is going to begin. So once I run a bag through here, you'll see that it will crease the bag and then it will start the fold right at this stainless piece. And then it will keep that fold all the way until we get to the heat system, which then it will seal the bag. So I'm going to start the machine. My heat is already set. My preheat set at 450. My heat is set at 500. You can also change that in your maintenance configurator. You can look at your speeds and what your offsets are for your front and rear weld rollers and what your transport speed is at. Go back to the operator control, and then I'm going to run the bag and see how the folding system works.